We ain't got no wild fucking turkeys in Texas. Look, they got this big one over there. I want to see that old nigga, but I don't want to get chased by that motherfucking turkey. That's cool though. I ain't been close. I'm scared it's gonna chase me though. Hopefully it just run. Yeah, it's gonna run. I don't think that hoe can see me. Damn. Oh, they running.
Head southeast on Southern Hills Drive.
Is that legal? Can you chase a turkey? Look, he getting the fuck on.
Head northwest on Southern Hills Drive.
Oh, they gone. They gone, hauling ass. Here you go. Got the fuck on. Where the other one go? There you go. Look, got the fuck on.